Securing the Industrial Internet of Things. The Industrial Internet of Things is steering advancements in the technological landscape, molding it into a coherent Internet system. According to the IBM 2022 report, 47% of attacks on the manufacturing IoT industry were caused due to vulnerabilities in the systems. In addition, Gartner reports that cybersecurity in industries accounted for an estimated 50% of their budgets. X-PHY SSD provides a versatile security solution to industrial IoT devices without increasing operational overhead or network complexity. X-PHY employs its trademark features such as X-PHY GUARD to offer continuous real-time vigilance of industrial IoT endpoints, X-PHY SITE-SECURE to defend against physical and side-channel attacks, X-PHY factor encryption to guarantee robust authentication protection for industrial IoT, X-PHY stream protection to secure industrial IoT data communication, and X-PHY forensic to safeguard against remote industrial IoT exploits. X-PHY SSD is the futuristic last line of defense for securing the industrial IoT infrastructure. Intelligent, predictive, self-learning. The X-PHY